Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B12 full guide. Start by identifying your B12 form, testing levels, and deciding a delivery method. I will outline dosing options, absorption tips, and signs of deficiency to watch for. We will compare oral versus sublingual versus injection methods and discuss practical routines to fit B12 into your life safely and effectively. Stick with me, and you will feel confident managing B12. Choosing the right B12 form is key for results and comfort. I'll explain benefits of methylcobalamin for nerves and cyanocobalamin for stability, plus when hydroxycobalamin injections make sense. Learn how personal factors like diet, absorption issues, and convenience shape the best choice. I'll also give quick tips for sourcing reliable supplements and recognizing product labels, so you can pick what suits your health and routine with ease. Dosing and timing determine how well B12 works for you. I'll cover common oral and sublingual ranges, explain why higher doses may be used for absorption issues, and outline typical injection schedules. You'll get practical advice like taking sublingual drops on an empty mouth, spacing doses from other supplements, and tracking symptoms and lab results to adjust dosing safely with your clinician. This makes B12 easy to manage daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.